An important part of maintaining a clean and safe home is disinfecting. Disinfecting or sanitizing is defined as using heat or chemicals to decrease the germ level to generally safe. This is different from sterilizing, which uses heat and pressure to remove most, if not all, germs. You can easily make an easy sanitizing solution at home using regular household bleach, water, and a reusable spray bottle.
Fill your spray bottle up, then measure out 4 teaspoons of regular household bleach. Then add the bleach to the water, screw on the top, and give it a little shake.
When choosing what bleach to buy, just get regular strength household bleach. It should contain between 5 and 7% sodium hypochlorite, which is the chemical name for bleach. Avoid kinds that are scented or labeled as easy pour, which just means that the manufacturer has added thickener so it doesn't splash when you pour it. 4 teaspoons of bleach per quart or 32 ounces is strong enough to kill most germs in your home or kitchen. As bleach disinfectant sits for a long period, it can lose its potency, so make sure to change it regularly. This bottle of disinfectant will keep for at least a week. Now, it's important to remember that a disinfectant does not clean. Soap and water are used for cleaning, and disinfectants kill germs on an already clean surface.
So when you're disinfecting a surface, first make sure it is visibly clean. Then spray the surface with the bleach solution and allow it to sit for at least 1 minute. This is the case for most disinfectants, including wipes. The surface has to stay visibly wet for at least 1 minute or however long the package says. You can either allow the solution to sit on the surface until it's dry or wipe it clean after 1 minute with a clean paper towel.
Now, what about other options? Of course, you certainly can use commercial disinfectants or wipes, but they are generally more expensive. Unfortunately, bleach is inexpensive and works just as well as commercial disinfectants. On the other hand, other household items like vinegar, vodka, and essential oils are not shown to be as effective at killing germs as bleach or other commercial disinfectants. The most important thing to remember is that homemade bleach disinfectant is one of the cheapest, easiest, and most effective ways to kill germs on household surfaces and help keep you and your family safe.